Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do Umber head filter on TikTok. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Play Store and update your TikTok application. Once you done that, you simply search in the TikTok, but that option is not shown to you. So this is the filter that is from Snapchat. So you simply need to go on to the Snapchat and click on the search icon in the top left and search for the crying, and that is the filter, and record a video with that. Okay, once you done that, you simply need to click on save, and once you save that video, you can use that video and share that on the TikTok. So by following these steps, you can easily do umber head filter on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.